beautiful, inspiring, and relaxing outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you have a small backyard or a compact patio area and think you do not have enough space for a luxury water feature, think again. Today we are exploring the enchanting world of small pond designs with waterfalls that can completely elevate your landscape without taking over your entire yard. Even with limited square footage, the sight of shimmering water and the gentle, melodic sound of a cascading waterfall can instantly make your outdoor space feel like a high-end resort. Stick around as we break down the best design techniques, material choices, and spacing secrets that will help you bring this peaceful paradise right to your doorstep. A small pond design with a waterfall refers to a compact, intentionally engineered water feature that combines a shallow basin with an elevated structure to circulate and cascade water continuously. Choosing this specific setup for a smaller yard is one of the most rewarding landscaping decisions you can make because it packs maximum visual and sensory impact into a minimal footprint. Beyond its undeniable beauty, the continuous movement of the waterfall oxygenates the water, preventing stagnation, keeping the pond clean, and creating a healthy environment for aquatic plants or colorful fish. Furthermore, the soothing white noise of running water acts as a natural sound barrier, effectively masking stressful neighborhood traffic and street sounds to turn your backyard into a truly private, stress-relieving sanctuary. A small pond with a waterfall makes for a serene addition to any yard. Ponds with waterfalls bring a multi-sensory experience to your outdoor space by creating reflections, movement, and sound. They are an ideal solution for smaller properties that don't have space for a pool. A pond can become the focal point of a yard or outdoor room, regardless of size. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of ponds and waterfalls with these small ponds design ideas with waterfalls worth adding to your yard. Woodland oasis. Opt for a small river leading up to your waterfall for a natural woodland look. This stunning property feels bucolic and dreamy with this custom-designed waterfall pond. Note the natural-looking plantings that give this an organic quality, as if it is naturally occurring. 2. Simple build, natural look. Mix pavers with natural stone for a more cost-effective pond structure than going with natural stone alone. The plantings look like they've been there for years, and include a mix of perennial ground covers tucked in among the stones and specimen plants. 3. Lush koi pond. A small curving bridge and statuary will give the feeling of a Japanese ornamental garden. This quiet setting has a tasteful array of design elements. The waterfall is subtle here with a small rambling brook kind of feeling, feeding into the gorgeous custom koi pond surrounded by lush woodland greenery. 4. Pondless waterfall. Embracing the pondless waterfall feature is a great way to avoid dealing with algae and other problems you might face with a stagnant pond. The term simply refers to a recirculating waterfall or stream feature that does not include a pond. These systems are relatively easy to install and include a pump that keeps the water moving, unlike ponds which can sometimes grow algae. This design rehabbed a pond with small waterfall to a pondless water feature. 5. Reflecting seasonal color. An angular pond like this one with a gray stone edge and small waterfall is modern and visually interesting. This one is balanced by the soft organic shapes and brilliant seasonal colors of the Japanese maple trees surrounding it, allowing reflections of the bright reds and yellows in the water. 6. Sculptural setting. Make your pond an ever bigger focal point by doing some hardscaping and landscaping around it. This beautiful pond design includes a stone wall backdrop made with pavers, and stairs on either side inset into the landscape. There's a small waterfall, statuary, and attractive plantings including colorful perennials like bright purple Siberian irises, spireas, peonies, and heucheras. 7. Brimming with pond-friendly plants. Fill your pond with textural plants for a natural look. This one is full of juicy green plants including lilies and lettuces. Check with your local nursery to find out about pond-friendly plants, which may also include water poppies, Siberian iris, cattails, water mint and water hyacinths. Aquatic plants are necessary for the health of a pond's ecosystem, depriving algae of its food source and helping keep pond water clean. Waterfall by night. If you enjoy spending time in your yard after dark, add some lighting to your waterfall. The combination of lighting and moving water is unbeatable for creating a soothing yet thrilling atmosphere. 9. Rehabbing a concrete pond. Bring in some koi fish to bring some life into your pond. This project in the UK refurbished and rehabbed an old concrete pond into a charming koi pond with a waterfall feature. The cast iron pump for circulating the pond water was removed and reinstalled, and the waterfall structure with natural-looking boulders was added. 10. Mossy rock waterfall. For some added whimsy, allow moss to form on your waterfall. Many of us who liked exploring creeks as children learned that mossy rocks were slippery. Moss forms over time in suitable conditions like moisture and shade, and creates a charming rustic landscape feature. This waterfall trickles gently over the lush green growth. 11. Koi pond vista. Make a simple ground-level layout for your pond to allow for maximum visibility of other parts of the yard. The planting of pink painted daisies creates a dramatic focal point in the foreground of this koi pond. 12. Japanese style. Go for a Japanese style design to bring a serene POV to your pond, like this koi pond in Portland, Oregon. The moss-covered rocks and stone statuary are decorative and organic. The plantings of boxwood, ferns, and creeping ground covers near the waterfall emphasize the natural forest surroundings. 13. Working with the landscape. Work with the landscape, not against it. This waterfall feature utilizes a stunning landscape setting with large boulders and native plantings, making the most of an already gorgeous location and enhancing the view. 14. Evergreens for structure. Use evergreen trees to bring height and structure to your pond. This pond and waterfall setting has lush evergreens, natural stones in a variety of shapes, and some interesting and unique statuary for a personal touch. The mature trees give a sense of structure and longevity to the design. 15. Shady seating area. Nestling your pond up to the edge of a patio makes for an atmospheric seating area. A waterfall offers a relaxing and cooling focal point to this shady abode, while plants like the elephant ears provide a tropical feel. Note the open patio space that allows for different furniture arrangements, like pondside dining or just a quiet seat for reading. Bringing a small water feature into your landscape proves that you do not need an expansive estate to enjoy the luxury of nature. By utilizing smart stone placement, lush aquatic greenery, and a well-scaled pump system, a compact pond can easily become the absolute focal point of your entire property. Whether you prefer a rustic, natural stream look surrounded by river rocks or a sleek, contemporary sheet waterfall dropping into a geometric basin, there is a design out there that fits your personal style perfectly. If these small waterfall pond ideas inspired you to upgrade your backyard, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for your regular dose of outdoor inspiration. We want to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let us know. Would you add colorful koi fish to your pond, or keep it strictly for the plants and waterfall sound? Tap that notification bell so you never miss our next design guide, and we will see you in the very next video.